Are you searching for best travel fishing rod? Today I am going to reviews top 5 most popular best travel fishing rod. For more information, update price on the product, please check the links in the description. Number 1. BIUTIFU Traveler Spinning Casting Fuji Lure Mini Rock Fishing Rod. The travel fishing rod is lightweight and portable, allowing you to carry it with you when you go out. Its lightweight makes it easy for you to carry around in your bag or backpack. Close length is less than 57 centimeters, which is convenient to carry at will. Made of T800 high elastic carbon fiber cloth, with light handle, good holding and high strength. Special parts are made of 4-axis high strength crosscloth. Tip is slightly made of solid carbon fiber with good elasticity. There are 3 kinds of hardness: ML/M/MH, which can use different weights and different types of baits to adapt to various occasions. Number 2. Telescopic Fishing Rod Travel Surf Rod Spinning. The travel fishing rod is lightweight and portable, allowing you to carry it with you when you go out. Its lightweight makes it easy for you to carry around in your bag or backpack. This fishing rod is made from carbon fiber, strong and durable, with the features of good elasticity and strong heavy capacity. Adjustable length fishing rod for situations where full-size fishing gear is inconvenient. Portable closed length design for conveniently carrying around. Comes with the pad for comfortable holding. An ideal gift for fishing enthusiasts or collectors. Number 3. Histar Assassin's Portable Travel Fishing Rod. Histar Assassin's 4 sections portable full carbon fast action 1.68 m to 2.44 m spinning and casting type travel fishing rod. Features: model, Assassin's 4 sections, blank, 30T 40T high modulus carbon materials, lightweight, good balance, size, from 1.68 m to 2.44 m, guide. High quality DKKSSE rod guide. Colors: black and red. Elegant cosmetics. Handle: mini camouflage 1 or 2 sections. EVA handle optional. Section 4, closed length only. 46 to 65 centimeters. Reel seat. Japan Fuji reel seat. Durable, high strength, for saltwater and freshwater fishing. Japanese Toray reinforced crossline carbon cloth. High strength and high elasticity. Sturdy jointing part, suitable for multi-fishes. Number 4. Goture Xceed Fuji Carbon Spinning Casting Fishing Rod. The new generation of Goture Xceed travel fishing rod adopts world-renowned Fuji guide ring, which smoother and tougher than general guide, with better fracture resistance, higher polish and comparable strength than a narrower ring that's 30% lighter. 30T carbon fiber blank. 3024T for the front blank and 30T for the rear part. Carbon fiber makes the whole rod strong enough and sensitive. ABS reel seat reinforcement ring. The premium ABS material combined with metal reinforcement ring makes the reel seat high strength and durable. EVA split grip, comfortable and wear resistant for long-term handling. For sections design. For section design with only 59 centimeters closed length and offering a free rod bags, the best choice for traveling fishing. Number 5. Goture Pollux Japan Quality Fuji Guide Slow Jigging Fishing Rod. All Fuji O-rings. The O-ring not only has strong oxidation resistance and excellent wear resistance, but also has high hardness, stability, and thermal shock resistance, ensuring a smooth discharge port and drastically reducing line troubles. 30TX multi-layer carbon material. The jigging rod adopts 30TX multi-layer carbon material, reaching high strength and high maneuverability. Employs an EVA grip that is light, comfortable, and easy to fit in your hand. Easy to grip reel seat with good holdability. The strong and durable ABS wheel seat is equipped with an EVA grip that has excellent anti-slip properties, making it easy to grip and hold. Durable design. Add 1 to 2 centimeters to the seam to keep the rod more flexible against big fish. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.